2 weeks to go. Sana po samahan nyo. I want this to be known as the best district. Gusto ko tayo makilala at tularan ng ibang distrito. Tayo magbibigay ng ehemplo at pag-asa sa mahihirap. Meron kang handog sa bayan mo. Mahirap, mayaman, mataba, payat, pangit, guwapo. May handog sa bayan. Many are called, few are chosen. I think we are the chosen one.